Hi everybody, welcome back. Jiggy Time Gal. Welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a crafting tutorial on some little plaque painting type things that I'm doing for the bathroom. My bathroom is sea life slash beach slash ocean type theme. So I've got some shells here, different kinds of shells, smaller shells, and I have some 4x6 um, canvases on the wood from the Dollar Tree, and these were $1.25 a piece. And I have 3 of them, and I painted them from apple barrel paint from Walmart. I think these were like 58 cents, 65 cents, something a piece. Um, I painted one of them blue. It's a little, it might need another second coat of paint, but I'm going to put shells on it, so it's going to be covered up for the most part. So this was blue kazoo. This one was green turquoise. And then this one was called Cloudless. So they're already painted and dried, ready to go. I have my glue gun, which is a Gorilla Glue gun with Gorilla Glue sticks. It's a mini detailing glue gun with a little detail on the end of it. I have a black Sharpie marker, and I have a white Solo, I think it's a Solo, Signa, Uniball Signo, Ball, gel pen, white gel pen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some shells on this. I glue some shells on it. And on one of them, I wanted to say sea life. On another one, I wanted to say ocean views. And on the last one, I wanted to say beach babies. So the light colored one I'm going to do with black um, Sharpie marker. And probably on these two, I'm going to do the white Signa gel pen to write on it. I do have stickers that I can do, but I've come to find out the stickers really don't stick on painted surfaces really well or canvas very well. I could put a layer of triple thick or glossy accents over the top to help the sticker stick, but I'm just going to go ahead. A lot of people tell me that I have pretty handwriting, so I'm just going to write on it. It'd be a lot easier. So I'm going to pull you down here on the desk, and we're going to see how that goes. Okay. I have some shells here. I'm just going to kind of lay some out here, kind of get an idea on how things might go. What do you think? How do you think that looks, everybody? That look all right? And then put sea life on top. I think that looks okay. Okay, here we go. I'm going to adhere them down. I'll stick that one like that. Glue stick. There we go. Anything like that? That look okay, guys? I think we're going to do the black Sharpie marker on this. We're going to put sea life on this one. There, what do you think? That look nice? I think that looks nice. There's one. Let's get all the little strings off of here. There's one. Let's use the light blue one. How's that look, everybody? That look okay? Okay, let's put these on. gluing these down like so. And I think they're looking very nice. How's that look, people? Get the little glue strings off. And this one, we're going to have this one say Beach Babies. There's two. And the third one, this one's going to say Ocean Views. How does that one look? That one look nice, guys?
Huh?
That one look nice, guys? I think it looks alright. Alright, so let's glue this one down. And this is coming along very nicely. This is our third one, the final one. Getting a lot of strings with this one. A lot of glue strings. You know, the glue stick. I think some of these shells are so pretty. I get my shells from everywhere. I get them from Goodwill. I get them from other thrift stores. I get them from yard sales. I get them from Hobby Lobby. I get them from Walmart. I get them from Target. I get them from all over the place. People give them to me. I get them from all over the place. And I never turn down shells. I always keep them and then use them for projects. I'm trying to collect a bunch of the same kind. That way I can make like a wind, well, not like a windmill, but like a mobile, like a something like that. Okay, how's this one look? Whoops, this one didn't stick down too good. Okay, there we go. How's that one look, people? Just a random array of little seashells on a canvas that's been painted. And this one we're going to use a white marker, the white gel pen. This one's going to say Ocean Views. There we go. I think that looks very nice. So we have the ocean views. We have the beach babies. And we have the sea life. We have the sea life, the beach babies, and the ocean views. I think they look nice. If you want to, you can put your initials on it. You can sign them. Put it on the back. Whatever you want to do. If you want to put like a little claw back here, you can hang it. Or you can hang it on this lip of the backing with some type of nail or tacks. I'm just going to pop it up against the wall. I have like a little shelf in there. I'm going to pop it against the wall with the shelf. I'm not going to hang them. So there you have it. That's the tutorial for today. Thank you very much for stopping by. Y'all have a great one. Catch you on the flip side.